In today's fast-paced, digital world, capturing attention is more challenging than ever. But there's one medium that consistently cuts through the clutter and resonates with audiences: video. Video is the ultimate marketing powerhouse, capable of engaging viewers, conveying emotions, and driving action like no other medium can. It's the perfect tool for storytelling, product demos, customer testimonials, and much more. Here are just a few reasons why video is so effective in marketing. 1. Captivating engagement. Video has an inherent ability to captivate viewers, holding their attention for longer than any other form of content. With engaging visuals, compelling narratives, and dynamic sound, video keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. 2. Emotional connection. Video has the power to evoke emotions, creating a deeper connection with viewers on a personal level. Whether it's a heartwarming story or a product that sparks excitement, video can tap into viewers' emotions and leave a lasting impression. 3. Increased recall. Video messages are more memorable than text or images alone. The combination of sight, sound, and movement creates a more immersive experience that sticks with viewers long after they've seen the video. If you're not already using video in your marketing strategy, now is the time to start. Video is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool that can transform your marketing efforts and take your business to the next level. Embrace the power of video and unleash its potential to elevate your brand, engage your audience, and achieve your marketing goals.